Are you being annoyed by the Pcadm Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before we get started with Pcadm Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Pcadm Library, the Parental Controls Administrative Module. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of parental control policy enforcement and website filtering. It facilitates the data link between the policy engine and the local user account manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Pcadm is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Pcadm library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Pcadm Library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility link below provides background information on maintaining Pcadm Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Pcadm Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.